Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss numerical integration. That is, without using integration formula, by using numerical values, we can integrate and evaluate a function. That is, integral a to b f of x dx. F of x is a function. We can integrate this function f of x and applying the limit, upper limit b and lower limit a, you will get the answer by integration formulas. Without using integration formulas, we can evaluate this function. That is, the first method is trapezoidal rule. The first method is trapezoidal rule. By using trapezoidal rule, we can easily evaluate the function integral a to b f of x dx. For that, we use a formula. The formula says that integral a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 2 y naught plus yn, first term plus last term, plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus etc. plus yn minus 1, 2 into remaining terms. That is, the value x and y, x naught, x1, x2, x3, y naught, y1, y2, y3. Data is given. The value of x is given. Value of y we can find out using the x. Then y is known as f of x. Here the first value y naught, the last value y3. Then y first term plus last term. Trapezoidal rule says that h by 2 into y naught plus yn into 2 into y1 plus y2 plus etc. plus yn minus 1. Here, h, to find the value of h, we use the formula b minus a by n. b minus a by n. Where n is the number of intervals. Where n is the number of intervals. We can divide a to b. Here, a to b. We can divide this number of intervals or 5, 6, 7, etc. In this case, we have to find out the value of h is equal to b minus a by n. Then substituting the value of h here, substituting the values of y naught, y1, y2, etc. here, we calculate, we get the function value integral a to b f of x dx. This rule is known as trapezoidal rule. This rule is known as trapezoidal rule. But without using integration formulas, with the numerical values, only with the numerical values, we can evaluate a function. The first rule is trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule says that integral a to b f of x dx equal to h by 2 into y naught plus yn, that is first term plus last term plus 2 into remaining terms. To calculate h, the formula is b minus a by n, where n is the number of intervals. We can do one problem based on this trapezoidal rule. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 e raised to minus x square by 2 dx using trapezoidal rule. By using trapezoidal rule. For this, first we make the column, x column and y column. The value is 0 to 1. The value is 0 to 1. We can divide, take n is equal to 5. Take n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 means the number of intervals taken as 5. That is, the first value is 0. First value is 0. Then next value, number of intervals, n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Then we can calculate the value of h. The value of h is equal to b minus a by n. b minus a by n. Here b is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 by n is equal to 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2. First we calculate the value of h. The value of h is equal to 0.2. Therefore, the first value is equal to 0. The second value will be 0.2. Third value will be 0.4. Then 0.6. 0.6. 0.8. First we write the x values. X values are 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. First we write the values of x. That is, we divide 0 to 1 into 5 intervals. This is first interval, second interval, third interval, fourth interval, fifth interval. We divide the 0 to 1 into 5 intervals, taking n is equal to 5. Since n is equal to 5, we take the 0 to 1 as 5 intervals. Here h is equal to 0.2. We calculate h by using the formula b minus a by n. B is equal to upper limit, a is the lower limit, 1 minus 0 by n. N is equal to 5. Therefore, 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2. Then we can calculate the corresponding value y. When here function f of x is equal to e raised to minus x square by 2. Function value f of x equal to e raised to minus x square by 2. When we put x is equal to 0, we get the value is 1. Then we put x is equal to minus 2. When we put x is equal to minus 2, we calculate the value as 0.980197. When x is equal to 0.2, when x is equal to 0.2, e raised to minus 0.2 the whole square by 2, the value will be 0.9801987. 0.4, the value will be 0.92311163. 0.6, the value will be 0.8352702. 0.8, the value will be 0.7261490. 1, the value will be 0.6065307. Well, first we make the table. In the table, when we put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to e raised to minus 0 by 2, that is equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 2, we put in the value x is equal to minus 2 in the function, we get 0.9801987. When x is equal to 0.4, here we put x is equal to 0.4, we get 0.9231163. When x is equal to 0.6, we get 0.8352702. When x is equal to 0.8, we get 0.7261490. When x is equal to 1, we get 0.6065307. In this table, this value taken as y0 and this value taken as yn. This is y0 and this is y0. This is y1, y2, y3, y4. This is y5. y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Then we can use the formula. Trapezoidal rule says that integral 0 to 1 e raised to minus x square by 2 dx. The formula is h by 2 into y0 plus y5. First term plus last term. y0 plus y5 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus etc. plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4. We know the values y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, etc. We just substitute here. Here h is equal to 0.2 by 2. Y naught is equal to, we add this value 1 and 0.606. When we add this, we get 1.6065307. When we add these values, this column we get 3.4647342. The first time plus last time. When we add the first time plus last time, we get 1.6065307, and the remaining times we get 3.4647342. We just substituting here 1.6065307 plus 2 into 3.4647342. Then simplifying, we get the answer as 0.88535999. We get the value as 0.8535999. This is the required value. But by using trapezoidal rule, without using integral formulas, without using integration technique, by only numerical value, we can evaluate the function. That is, the function is e raised to minus x square by 2. Here function is f of x equal to e raised to minus x square by 2. We can integrate this function within the limit 0 to 1. For that, we use the formula trapezoidal rule. The trapezoidal rule says that h by 2 into, in bracket, first term plus last term. Here first term is y naught, last term is y5. First term plus last term plus 2 into remaining terms. Remaining terms are y1, y2 plus y3 plus y4. y1, y2, y3, y4. First we make the column, first column x column, the second column y column. When we put x is equal to 0, when we put x is equal to 0 in the function, we get the value as 1. Similarly, we get the other values. y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, etc. First we add y0 plus y5. Then this is the first sum, 1.6065307. The remaining time we be at 3.4647342. Then substituting in the formula, first time plus last time 1.6065307. The remaining times 3.4647342. Then we get the answer is 0.8535999. This is the required answer.